sir, the reason I'm asking you this is you're putting the burden on the citizen, but at the end of the day, that decision has to be taken by you, whether you go in for a lockdown. Cases have doubled in the last week from 20,000 to 47,000 active cases. Given that this doubling could continue in the next week, I come back to it. Are there going to be more restrictions in place? You've already restricted gatherings in public places. You've gone in for a night curfew. What other restrictions are you planning to break the chain?
Rajiv, you know, from 7 in the morning till 8 p.m. in the evening, there is zero restriction. Now, after 8 p.m. also, except assembly of more than 5 people at a place to avoid crowding, there is no other restriction in place. And now in this assembly of more than 5 people, automatically after 8 p.m. the restaurants, the nightclubs, the shopping malls, the markets close. And we are doing it as abundant precautions so that crowding can be avoided. And this new mutant of the virus is so infectious, so we don't want crowding to happen. And I'm sure these minimal steps where everything else is allowed 24/7, the trains are running, the buses will be running, the private cars, the taxis, less than 5 people, they can travel anywhere to anywhere throughout the night. There is no other restriction. You can move around on the roads, but less than 5 people. So there's the minimum restrictions we applied only to avoid crowding. And I'm sure this check on the crowding in the shopping malls at late hours, on the beaches or the markets or in other places, this is going to definitely have a positive impact on reduction of our cases which are being detected as positive, and positivity will fall down. And I don't think any more measures required now, at least for the next 15 days. But if things don't improve, then naturally, like, we'll be left with no option.
You know, you've said that out of 91,000 cases in Mumbai since February, about 74,000 are asymptomatic. I presume that these asymptomatic patients do not need any hospitalization, because the big worry is, will there be a burden on the hospital infrastructure in terms of beds and ventilators? Are you completely confident you can meet any rise in cases over the next few days in terms of hospital beds and ventilators?
Rajiv, you know, I have assumed that very soon we may have 10,000 positives in Mumbai every day. And since 85% cases are coming asymptomatic, so roughly I would need 1,500 beds for the 1,500 people of 10,000 every day, and a COVID cycle of 14 days. So after 14 days, even if you are not detected negative, you are discharged. And if you are not well, you can move on to COVID care centers. We have a lot of beds there also separately. So this cycle of 14 days and 1,500 people coming every day, I assume that all the 1,500 would need a bed, although presently only 50% of them are seeking bed. But I assume, in the worst possible scenario, that every symptomatic goes to hospital for a bed. On a 14-day cycle, with 10,000 cases coming every day, with 1,500 beds required every day, our requirement will be 21,000. And right now, we are ready with 22,300 beds, DCH and DCHC only. Now, this is one point. Secondly, if you see 91,000 cases since 10th of February in the last 49 days, in the last 49 days, we had only 269 deaths, 269, which means that our mortality rate in this 91,000 cases is only 0.2%. This is lowest anywhere in the world, I can claim. So, mortality is under control. There is no pressure in the hospital. We are far ahead of the demand. The supply is much more than demand. And thirdly, our positivity, like today morning, it was 14%. Yesterday, we tested 42,000 cases, and only 5,200 have come positive. And once the cycle of 14 days sets in, the number of discharges and number of admissions, they virtually match, and the requirement stabilizes. So I can assure you that if I'm assuming 100% symptomatic going to hospital. Now, if I assume only 50% of them going to hospital, then we can even handle 13,000, 14,000 positives every day. So I can assure you that there is no problem of hospitalization. We have a very strong system of healthcare in the country today in Mumbai.